Hello everyone, did you grasp all the concepts? Have you ever thought about if you are given the vector to actually create a graphical representation? Well, let me show you how. Now we're given the column vector with elements -3 and 2. Now here I have my starting point at A. -3 means that I should move 3 places towards the left. That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 towards the left. And given that the vertical rise is 2, it simply means that I would now move 1, 2. Alright, so this is my first graphical representation of the column vector -3 and 2. Let us look at the second question. Now for this column vector has a horizontal shift of 2, which means that I would take 2 steps towards the right. So my starting point is at B, and I will move 1, 2. So that's my horizontal shift. And let's look at the vertical rise. So from the column vector, my vertical rise is 4, a +4, which means that I would move north, 4 steps north. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this vector represents part B. Now let us look at part C. Now part C represents a horizontal shift of 3 and a vertical rise of -1. So a +3 means that I should take 3 steps towards the right. That is 1, 2, 3. And because my vertical rise is negative, it represents a shift towards the south. 1. So there you have it, our third vector. And finally, the fourth vector is -3, represents a horizontal shift, -3, and also a -4, which represents in movements southwards. So here I will begin at my starting point D. Your -3 represents 3 steps towards the left. That is 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. And because my horizontal rise is a -4, it simply means that I will take 4 steps south. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it, 4 column vectors. Okay, so this is my second of 2 parts. If you do have any questions, please don't forget to comment down below. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless.